Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm gonna do a daily vlog. Just with my schedule right now, weekly vlogs aren't really possible. But today I am going to bring you along. It is currently about 7:38. I have a pretty full day ahead of me. I was gonna show you my plant corner, but Trav has his hockey equipment there right now. I don't know if it's quite appropriate because it's really messy. I'm gonna film it and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so hang on a second. Okay, so we're gonna kind of go over his hockey equipment, and this is my absolute favorite kid, I guess, if you're gonna call my plants kids, because I had wanted a fig plant for so long and I couldn't find one, and when I did, fig plants are a little bit of an investment, so this guy was about $60, but I knew that I would have it for so long that I invested in it, and I was like, I'm gonna take care of this like it's my little baby. It has grown so much. So I bought it in like November, I believe, and it has grown like 3 sections. So these two leaves are new, these ones are new, these ones are new, and also these ones. So actually 4 sections. This has been growing a lot. A lot of you ask me how I take care of this plant. So number one thing that I learned when I got this plant was that fig leaf plants don't like to be super wet. So what I do is I always put a finger into the soil and check if the soil's wet. So right now it is quite moist. You want to put it in like about 1 inch, and then check if the soil is like super sticky, super moist, then you don't want to water it. So right now the soil, you can kind of see on my finger, it's really moist. So you don't want to water it yet. I usually water it once a week with about like 3/4 of that watering jug. The next step is to always kind of give your fig leaves a little bit of like a spa treatment. So I always take a wet towel. I haven't done it in about 2 weeks, so I need to do it soon. And just dust off all the dirt and debris and obviously dust that you see on these leaves. Because they have such large leaves, if it's covered in too much dust, it can't properly get sunlight. And you can see these brown dots here. Normally they go away after the leaves get this big. It hasn't yet, so it's kind of worrying me that my fig leaf might be sick. So if you are a fig leaf or a plant connoisseur, let me know if and what this means. So we had tomatoes, peppers, and mini like chili pepper plants growing. Don't really know where they are now. I think they kind of died, or Trav took them out because the planter was getting a little bit too busy. We also have one of these basil leaf plants that I got from the grocery store, but it's really bloomed quite a bit, and that's why Trav had transplanted some into this planter. Another parsley plant. We had another older basil leaf plant that kind of looks super albino now, so we don't really use it anymore. So this is my little Stanley, my money leaf plant, or it's actually called a pilea plant, but a lot of people call it the money plant because it looks like little coins. I hope it's not dying because the bottom couple leaves are turning yellow, as you can see, but the top ones are still growing. Like these two are new ever since I brought it home. I heard that these ones also don't like to have too much water, so you have to check the soil to see if it needs water. We also have a couple plants in the other corner that I usually like push to that one corner if I want to take plant photos, but it just gets crowded sometimes. So this is the other plant corner. So you can see this was my little like bee pollinator plant. I don't know what happened to it, but it's like dying. I don't know, it's either dead or it's really close to dying. This guy, like this one stem looks okay, but its partner completely gave up this weekend. We have been watering it. I brought it out to get sun. It just like really doesn't like anything. This guy, I don't know what it is. I would have to ask Travis. If you guys know what it is, let me know. This is a stevia plant. We got this stevia plant at the stevia event, and it's growing quite well. It's getting really tall. This guy is Travis's red banana leaf plant. It is coming back to life. It's had a rough couple months. It had spider mites. Is that what it's called? Yeah, little like spider mites. and so it kind of killed some of its leaves, but we've been spraying it and making sure that they die and that it's getting healthier. Its new leaves are definitely looking a lot better. This is a little succulent that I transplanted from another plant that I'll show you in a second. It is so funny because like it's basically like one of these nubs fell off with the other plant, and Travis had just like stuck it in the soil to test out if it would grow, and it did, and it grew so quickly, and it's so freaking cute. But we might have to remove it soon because it's starting to grow a lot, and I don't want it to interfere with this banana plant. So yeah, this is our other plant corner. So this is the mama plant. This is a succulent that I got last summer when I went to the Corona cottage, and we made like our own little succulent plant jars. Look how many little guys are growing in here. I definitely need to get a bigger pot for it soon because this has just like exponentially come out very recently, and it's starting to droop. I don't really know what to do because it's eventually gonna hit the floor, and like because it's getting so much older, these guys, if you touch it, it falls off. So you can see that it's basically bald here. I don't know if I should just like cut it and let it continue to grow, or how does that work? Someone let me know. Someone who's like a succulent expert, you can let me know, please. Okay, so somehow I am running late already for my day, but I just wanted to show you my outfit. I am wearing my Aritzia white short sleeve blouse that you saw in my haul, and these Gap linen culottes that I am absolutely still in love with. So this is the whole outfit. I'm gonna just put on my Jenny Kane slides and we're ready to go. See you in a bit.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me?
Hasn't even been a full day. It's 3:45. Just left Sorry Coffee because I'm gonna go head to my other meeting today. You can see that my car is filled to the brim because we went shopping for staging for a place that I'm selling in a week or two, and I haven't had time to drop it off. I'm now headed to the last buyer's visit for a buyer that I was representing. She's getting the keys today, and so she can move in. Pretty excited for her because it's her first place in Toronto, and then I'm gonna basically be stuck in traffic all the way home, and then hopefully Trav will have dinner ready for me. Fingers crossed. Also, I'm really loving the matcha latte. The iced matcha latte from Sorry is really good. So if you're looking for a good place in Yorkville for a matcha latte, check them out. Hey guys, at the condo lobby that I am going to put on the market soon. I will show you a little bit of it because it's so beautiful. Waiting for the cleaners to finish the unit, and then I'll show you inside.
Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away.
Hey guys, so the unit has been cleaned. I was so exhausted / starving. It's 2:40 and I haven't eaten a single thing today, so I forgot to bring the camera with me to show you how beautifully clean it is. I'll bring it tomorrow when I go before we actually start staging. I think my face is like super swollen because I really wasn't feeling well yesterday, and I hope that that doesn't mean I'm sick again. I am at Bayview Village. I am going to go to Pusateri's at Bayview Village because I need food. I am starving and I can't even think. I have like the biggest headache, probably from low blood sugar, and then I might do some shopping. I think they have like MO851, which is a really cute store for like great leather pieces if you like it, and I think they had a sale, so I'm gonna check. I don't know if TNT still has a sale. I'm gonna do a quick shop and then I have to go back to the real estate office and do work, pick up some checks, and yeah, head home and edit the YouTube video for tonight, and then this vlog will probably go live this weekend because I want to vlog tomorrow too. So a 3-day vlog, is that a thing? You guys let me know.
Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us go tonight.
alone tonight. Trav is playing hockey with his dad and cousin in Brantford, so I've been working away, and it's been a really creepy night. Like, I drove in a crazy storm. I thought my car was going to drown. Like, the water was up to like past where my wheels touched the bottom of the car, but I made it home thankfully. But there's like lightning storms happening all over the place, so I wanted to see if I can catch one while I was out here. Hey guys, as promised, it's Friday and I will show you a little sneak peek of the place that I'm putting on the market very soon.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
This is where I've been for the last couple days, waiting on a couple more products, and then we gotta build those boxes and actually stage. Hopefully we'll get majority of it done tonight. We may have to replace the floors because there is some damage, but we will find out tomorrow. But that's what's going on so far today. It is 1:30 and I gotta do a lot of research for some showings tonight, and I will talk to you soon. Okay guys, it just ended up being a super crazy couple of days, so I think this vlog is going to be very, very sporadic. It's Sunday now. It is about 10 a.m. I have an open house today, so I have to go put up some signs. But first, I think I'm going to end this vlog with a getting ready with me. Super simple, barely any makeup. This is the Avon toner that I always use. I hope it's not too dark. My new favorite SPF facial cream. It's really thick, so sometimes I put on too much cream. But it is really sunny outside today. I hope I'm putting it in the sun. The lighting is really weird. Gotta put some on my neck too. I'm just gonna do my brows right now. Yeah, so this is all I'm doing for my face today. Toner, cream, and a little bit of eyebrow definition. I'm gonna go put it on the signs now, and then I'm gonna do an open house, but this is probably where I'm gonna end the vlog because I don't think I'm gonna be able to carry you around with me today. And so let me know if you still like these sporadic vlogs. I don't know if my lifestyle is capable of doing vlogs right now, or I will just focus on like a really cool day in the future and do those. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more vlogs, of course leave me a comment below, and if you liked it, leave me a like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.